This is Jabel and I'm Alina.
We're gonna show you around.
This is our living room. We do our yoga here, we dance, practice. You're welcome to do your exercises. Let me take you to the kitchen. Check out our awesome kitchen. It is huge. Let me take you to the bedroom that's available. Check it out. It's huge. This neighborhood is awesome. The neighbors are awesome. Really, really safe. We have a really, really huge closet here and awesome windows. Comes with an AC. It gets really quiet, so it's great for study time. And you want to see the bathroom? Check out the bathroom.